Hey y'all, welcome back to Krista's Kitchen. So with the kids' social life being as active as it is, I often need quick and easy snacks, lunches, dinners, the works that not only satisfy our need for food, but also our taste buds. So I'm going to take y'all along as we go through a snack, a lunch, and a dinner that we've had recently to help us get on the go quickly. So we're going to make a little afternoon snack for us to have while we're on the road to our afternoon activity. And we're just making some simple turkey kebabs and some salami kebabs. You could really do this in any kind of fashion that you like. Just pick the type of lunch meat that you like, take a slice and fold it up, pick your cheese of choice, and then your fruit or vegetable or your topper, and poke it through. And just like that, our little snack container is ready to go. We've got some turkey and cheese with tomatoes. We've got some salami and cheese with olives, and then we kind of mixed it and matched it. The kids go through hit or miss if they like olives, so most of the olives I'm accounting for myself, and then the cheese and tomatoes will be for the kids. And we just used mozzarella for some, and we used cheddar for some, and kind of mixed it and matched it. So our super quick lunch for today is cheeseburger gnocchi. And I may be saying this wrong, but that's how I say it. So down in our pan, we have 1 tablespoon of butter that we've melted, and we're adding in a 16-ounce package of potato gnocchi. I'm just going to break these all up, and we're going to brown them and get them toasted so that they get that nice buttery outside texture. So we're just going to let those toast up for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now that they're all toasty brown, we're going to remove them and set them to the side. And turn our heat up to high and add 2 cups of onion, as well as half a pound of ground beef. We're also going to add in our seasonings now. We're adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground mustard, and 1 beef bouillon cube. Now we're going to add in a tablespoon of minced garlic. Next up, we have a can of Rotel tomatoes with all of the juices, 1 cup of water. And we're going to add our gnocchi back in. We're going to mix this all around, let it come up to a boil, and then we'll turn it down and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Now that it's been boiling for about 5 minutes, we're going to turn off the heat and add in half a cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of cheese. And mix this all together and just let it sit for a few minutes, and we will be ready to taste test. If you're worried that the Rotel might be too spicy, you could always use a can of diced tomatoes. Just might want to drain a little bit of the juice, as that can probably is a little bit larger than the standard Rotel. Alright, so let's give it a try. Very cheesy, which is a good sign for a cheeseburger dish. That is delicious. I am here for it. That is comfort food in a bowl, and quick. Alright, we're going to get the rest served up for the kids and sit down and enjoy our lunch. So tonight is home movie night, and we're taking our few simple ingredients and turning our hot Italian sandwiches into dinner. So let's show y'all how we build them up. We have our oven preheating to 350. I've sprayed our baking sheet. I'm going to drop our rolls down on top. We're going to slice these straight through the middle. We're going to set the top half to the side, and we're going to get these loaded up. The thing I love about our Albertsons ham is it's laid out so that it literally comes in sheets. Next, we're going to add our salami. Next up, we have our pepperoni. Our last layer is our provolone. Now, we like the thick pieces of provolone, However, if you don't like so much cheese, you could probably get the thin slices, but we like how it melts and kind of drips all the way down. And if you get the Walmart pack, it's the perfect amount. So we're just going to flip our tops back over on top of them. Now for this front section, these are the adult sandwiches. We're going to top with sweet red peppers. The kids don't like these. These are just like marinated bell pepper slices. If you like, you could also add pepperoncini peppers or banana peppers, and that's awesome too. I would do both. If you like them, do the roasted red pepper and the banana pepper because it takes it to a whole nother level. Next up, I have 1/4 cup of butter that we've melted down in the bottom of our pan and added a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. We're just going to generously brush that over the top of these. And that's it. These are ready to go in the oven. They're going to go in for about 20 minutes. If you want them to bake longer, just cover them with some foil so they don't burn. But we'll see y'all back in 20 minutes. Our sandwiches are all done. We're just going to cut through in slices and serve these up. Now we're just serving these with some Lay's potato chips, but a nice pasta salad would be good. Or you can really just have these on their own. And there you have it. Our movie night sandwiches ready to go.